guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Decided to make Lugaw, Philippine porridge. Okay, so these are the ingredients, guys. I do have here glutinous rice. It's an optional, guys. If you don't have malagkit or glutinous rice, you can always use yung normal rice lang. Wala naman problem. And then ang ilalahok ko is yung chicken liver. Ito siya. Chicken liver. Half kilo lang. But, nga pala guys, disclaimer lang, I don't have like the exact measurements ng mga niluluto ko. Kayo na po ang bahala to do your own measurements. Okay. Chicken cubes. And garlic. Spring onion. Ginger, garlic, and the onion spring. Kasi guys, ito kasi it adds flavor. So, ito muna yung gagawin ko. And ngayon, nilalagay ko na yung onion spring.
Bango.
Some chili, kung gusto niyo medyo maanghang. You can also put, guys. Tapos, intayin lang natin siya na medyo maluto ng konti yung onion spring. After niya maluto, guys, aalsin na natin siya. Kasi hindi siya talaga kasama dun sa pag-isa ng orange. Okay guys, so luto na siya. So, aalisin ko na siya. And then, we will set this aside. And we will proceed. Ito na siya, guys. O, magigisa na tayo. Garlic. And some ginger. Tapos, we leave it for until mag-brown until maluto yung garlic natin and yung ginger. Next, we're gonna put the chicken liver. And we cook it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Ito na siya. I'm gonna season with pepper again. And ito siya. Gonna put the glutinous rice, guys. Gonna add some water. luto na rin yung rice. But, I'm gonna add some fish sauce kasi kanina wala pa siyang gaanong lasa. So, again guys, sa inyo yung pagtimpla kung gaano nyo siya gustong kaalat.